Greetings from Akmena Lake Beach. Beautiful sandy beach out on the lake Akmena, and it is time for another beach adventure with Chris. The last one actually from Lithuania for now, as I'm in Trakai now and exploring a bit the beaches after exploring the castle, the island castle of Trakai, and the lake looks absolutely amazing, as you can see. And the beach is not so busy itself on this Sunday, 22nd of September 2024. The lake looks absolutely amazing and clean indeed. And we can see also the Nudist Beach on the other side. It's currently under shadow, which is strange because it is probably less than 500 meters from there to here. So yeah, so let's then get going, because my train departs from Trakai in exactly 1 hour, and I have 5 kilometers to walk or run at this point, because I won't have time actually to walk slow. So this will be a quick swim, but I actually maybe saved the best for last, because this is pure sand here and the sun is up and it is a nice sandy beach indeed. Right now I'm the only one person swimming in the lake, Akmena Lake and Akmena Beach. So yes, beach adventures with Chris on this 22nd of September in Trakai, Lithuania. We have 20 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and it is 21 degree in the lake. So let's get going and go right in. Amazing. So it's so beautiful. So beautiful lake and so clean. Wonderful. So there is a Nudist beach on that side. I can see the people over there. I have visited that one actually earlier, but now I'm in the public beach of Akmena. Quite nice indeed. Yes, so that will be probably the last beach adventure from my Vilnius weekend adventure. So I have a flight back to Stockholm tonight at 6:55. So that's in 6 hours. And I'm in a different city now, but only half an hour away from Vilnius. So I will have actually time to explore a bit more of Vilnius, or maybe have a nice late lunch. I had a super big dinner yesterday with the traditional dish Tipeline, I think it was called, and also the cold beetroot soup as well. It's very nice, very tasty. So yes, with this wonderful view of Akmena Beach, I say bye bye from Lithuania for now, and these my beach adventures over here. So from this beautiful lake Akmena, yes, 21 degrees Celsius in the lake on 22nd of September, so it's quite nice indeed and perfect for beach adventures. So thanks so much for watching this episode with me and this series from Lithuania. So yeah, thanks a lot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.